What's up, people? It's your man Black Cobra back once again. Today we're talking about the Wheel Life Raffle. I'm gonna be raffling off a V11, InMotion V11, the world's first suspension electric unicycle. That's right, I love these wheels. You guys know I'm all in on the electric unicycle game. I just wanna give someone the opportunity to jump in with us. Now, if you're not in on the EUC game yet, if you haven't purchased your first EUC, then this could be for you. If you already have an EUC and you were thinking about getting a suspension wheel, this is for you. If you have several others, but you don't have the V11, this is for you. So this is for anybody that wants to get in on it. The Wheel Life Raffle is for the InMotion V11 and it's going on right now. If you want to get in on the raffle, go here. It'll also be in the description box down below. We started it at the Wheel Life Rally and we extended it past then, and now it's time to go ahead and do it, just in time for the holiday season. All right, so you know I couldn't do this alone. We're talking about the Wheel Life Raffle, so I had to bring in my partner.
Showtime!
Yo, you know, we are doing this Wheel Life Raffle, just so you understand where you're sending it. The Cash App that we're using is hers. Especially this year, I've done a lot of things with Cash App and PayPal and all that. So we're gonna use hers for this one. But let me tell you right now, you ain't got much time. You got a week left. A week. Yo, I'm telling y'all better get it in, because the V11 is going out to some lucky person real soon. I just got hit up today with somebody else showing me a picture of their brand new V11. Look like this. Let me tell you, this wheel, it's the Caddy. To me, it's the Cadillac. I mean, those of us that are a little older, the Cadillac, you know what I'm saying? It's luxury. That riding that wheel feels super comfortable. So if you're interested, you gotta hit us up. Send your message as soon as possible. Send your money as soon as possible to get into it. We got 1 week left, and then we're drawing. Whoever wins, wins. We're gonna assign each person a number. We're gonna spin that wheel, and then bam, that's what's up. So what you think?
I think it'd be great to go into the holidays with a suspension wheel.
See? Same thing I said. Holiday time is here. You know, if you want that wheel to be under your tree, I think you better get it in quick. So that's all we got today. We just wanted to quickly remind you and let you know that the Wheel Life is real life. If you want to get in, throw your $100 into the raffle right now. This is the first one. We're doing a V11 because it's innovative, the first production suspension wheel yet. Even though there's 2 others behind it, I still think it's the best one. That's just my opinion, not everybody's, but I think that we're gonna do more of these going forward. As long as everybody cooperates and we can do this quickly, we want to get wheels into everybody's hands, right?
Yes.
How many people you know that you like, oh, they can use a wheel. They can use a wheel.
I mean, everybody. Come on, get the Cash App in now. Let's get this wheel. Everybody needs a suspension wheel right now.
Definitely. For those of you who are like me, we ain't the youngest in the bunch. Your knees ain't the easiest or the best. The suspension wheel, I'm telling you, makes me feel amazing. So, all right, that's all we got for you today. So once again, it's your boy Black Cobra and
Showtime!
We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. So this is a reminder this Wednesday that next Wednesday when we do the show, live on the show, everybody's gonna get a number. I'm gonna put those numbers in a wheel and spin the wheel right live, right here on camera. So there will be no shenanigans. Some people ask me if they could get several of the entries. Right now, I've been holding it to 1 entry per person just because I want to give everybody an opportunity to get in on it. But, you know, towards the end, maybe I'll let people get a second one if there's still slots and they want to. The idea is to do 20 slots, $2,000 to get the wheel. However, I do have to pay for shipping or whatever, so I probably will go over a few slots just to make sure that if there's any extra money, it will go towards our next Wheel Life event. Now, the Wheel Life Rally, the outdoor rally, was in September, or it's going to be in September in 2021. That's the plan right now. There may be an indoor event coming first. If not, if we're not able to put that together, we'll put it all on the Wheel Life Rally that comes later on in the year. However, like I said, any excess money that comes in will be going towards that to make that event even better. Now, you guys who went to the event, you know how much fun we had. The Wheel Life Rally was amazing. Those who missed, I know you plan on being at the next one. So again, I rode the V11 in the Wheel Life Rally. I didn't win. I did win the off-road. I won my off-road heat. It did a hell of a job, and it took 3rd place overall in the Wheel Life Rally. So this wheel is a wheel to be reckoned with. The first suspension wheel, and it rides like a Cadillac. That's what I call it. To me, it's a Cadillac. I'll throw some video in so you guys can see some riding on this wheel.
Bunny hop. Nice. Nice.
Yeah. But I mean, those of you who know about the wheel, there's really not much to tell you. It's amazing. So again, if you want to get in, jump in now. You may notice the scruff going on. It's getting a little bit thicker. You can see all the white and gray I got going on in here. My daughter said, Dad, how long are you planning to keep that? Kids, I'll tell you. Anyway, you got 1 week to go. If you're gonna get in, get in. As you can see, got the unicyclism rocking. Teespring, go there and check out the merch. And as always, ride hard and keep your wheel.